Hey friends, Julie here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I have another thrift haul to share with you. Now if you'll recall, I did share another thrift haul a couple weeks ago and I have been remaking all of those items. I've already shared some of them here on YouTube, but I do share them individually as well on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, make sure you head on over to Magpie Designs by Julie and follow me over on Instagram. Then you'll be able to see them as I finish them. And I have another haul for you. Again, these will be all makeover projects. Not all of them. You'll see there's a few that are perfect as is, but a lot of makeover projects and thrift flips. If you guys enjoy thrift hauls and thrift store makeovers, please hit the subscribe button so that we can be thrifting buddies, because I plan to share a lot of it and I love to hear your guys' inspiration and your ideas. You guys do give me a lot of ideas, and when I'm doing something wrong, you guys correct me and say, hey, you should have done it this way. It would have been easier. So I love when you guys share your tips. I really appreciate it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy thrifting hauls, do give this video a thumbs up and let me get to sharing with you. Okay, so I picked up a couple things that are just so pretty for spring. They're glass things that I don't need to make over. I picked up this little decorative, it's kind of like a little dessert cake stand. It's really pretty. It has a lot of details and it's thick. So I picked this up. I do not plan to give this thing a makeover. It is perfect as is, but I do plan to resell it. I also picked up this really cute little cow creamer. There's nothing wrong with it. It's actually a Food Network creamer, and I am not going to do anything to this. It is perfect as is. It is just the color is beautiful, and I had to pick it up. I also found, and thanks to you followers of mine on YouTube, it's hobnail. The last thrift haul I had a glass one. It was a smaller vase than this, but I could not remember for the life of me the name of it. And one of you guys, I can't remember your name, but you came on and you did tell me what it was called, and I appreciate it, so thank you. This is another hobnail vase. It's a pretty big one. See, up against my face? It's pretty big. But I love it. It's beautiful, again, as is. I might put a piece of twine around it or something with a little bow. That would be cute, but it's perfect as is, so I'm not going to make this over. And I found these two little glass containers. They're like, you can tell that they were like blown glass or something. And they have little corks in the top. These are so cute as is. But you could also take the cork out and put like a little sprig of greenery or a little flower in it, change it up by the seasons. These were just too cute to not get. So I picked up two of these. And I picked up this metal creamer. It is, oh goodness. It's metal, but it's iron? No. I can't think of the word now. Oh my goodness, one of you guys will tell me what it is. But it's the heavy, heavy metal, like cast iron? No, not cast iron. It's like pewter stuff. Maybe that's what it's called, just pewter. But it is also super cute as is. I don't know if it's vintage or not. It doesn't have anything on it, but it is old looking, but it's in really good shape. So I picked this up. And again, this is good as is. I am not going to make over this item. And I picked up this wall sconce. It's like a candle wall sconce. And I liked it because it has this black iron, raw iron details. And all it needs is painting. So I do plan to repaint this and distress it. Maybe wax it with some brown wax or something, not totally sure yet, but I picked this up because I think it would be super cute repainted. And I also picked up these two wooden candlesticks. Again, I picked these up because they're perfect as is. However, I do think I'm going to paint these ones, but they would also be cute wood. I'm kind of torn because I do love wood accents, but I think I'm going to paint these just because there are a few dings and scratches that kind of make it look chintzy, kind of cheapy. So I'm gonna paint these, maybe blue or something, and then distress it, but I love this pair. I also found this tray. It's like a bamboo tray with like little handles on the side. And it does have slats, so it's not solid, but I still think that this painted white would be really, really pretty. And maybe even putting something on it, like some words with a cricket or something. I haven't decided yet, but I do think that this is going to be a good makeover because it's sturdy, it's not broken, there's nothing wrong with it. So I picked up this tray. And I'm in love with this little pig. I think he's absolutely adorable. Picked him up for $1, and I think he'll be perfect in a kitchen. So I'm going to paint him because he's pretty scratched up. I'm going to paint him and possibly put a word on here. But again, I haven't decided. I'm just sharing with you what I found. Maybe you guys have ideas for me. Share them below, please, if you do. And then I also found these 2 framed pieces. They have vintage florals in them, and I'm assuming there must be like some kind of monthly collection. It's from, it says, made in Canada exclusively for Bombay Company. I'm not really sure what that is, but because it has the paper backing on both of them, I'm not going to remove the pictures, but it also has the month. So this one says October and this one says February. So I'm not really sure what that is about. But if you guys know, let me know, please. However, I don't like the frames. I think the frames look really kind of cheap. So I'm going to paint and distress the frames, and I think it will actually help the vintage floral piece to pop and look really pretty. So I'm excited about that. So I found these. I think I just, oh, I have some. I also picked up another globe. This is a smaller globe. The other one I picked up last time was a larger globe, but I think I'm gonna do the same thing, except for the other one I spray painted like this part in the base. This time I'm not gonna spray paint it, but I do think I'm gonna put words on it. Maybe a verse or something like a cute little saying about travel, but I'm gonna put something on here, probably using my Cricut. So that is another thing I found recently at the Goodwill. And that is it. I showed you everything. So those are all of the things I found, and I showed you what things I'm going to make over, and I will be sharing them with you in a future video. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this thrift haul. Let me know if you have any tips for any of the things I want to make over, or if you know what they are, anything like that. I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.